guys, welcome to my face recognition system using Anaconda, Python and Opencv. So let's see the demo of this project. So you can see here when I run the code, it's streaming my video and it's detecting me. And whenever I got detected, it's having a voice output also. So it's very simple to do this project. It's having 7 steps. So I'm going to explain you how to do that 7 steps in my upcoming chapters. So it's in my next chapter I'm going to explain you how to implement these things in your PC. So let's discuss about the 7 steps we have. We have 7 steps like first you need to install Anaconda, and second one is you need to install Spyder, and you need to install ML packages inside that environment, and you need to build the model, and finally you need to check the model, and then only you can enjoy the demo of a video. So let's see how to do that step by step in my upcoming chapters. So see you in my next chapter with implementation. Thanks for watching.